Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem on Roblox. Authentication failed. It's easy if you want to fix it. All you have to do first, go here and then type Windows update, and you will find check for updates. And now just wait. And once you're here, just click install now and make sure to install all the updates that you will find here. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then just go back and restart your computer. And if Roblox still gives you this problem, then click here and type run and then click on it. After that, type here app data and then click OK. Now once you're here, click on local lows, scroll down, you will find RBX settings, it means Roblox settings. Right click and delete, and then go back and go to local. Scroll down until you find folders that starts with R. You will find here Roblox. Click on it and then just click on right click on it and delete it, and that's it. Or you can just click on it and select all the folders and then delete, and that's it. I hope this can help you to fix your problem. And last option is to uninstall Roblox. Go to apps and features. This one I think it's 100% to fix your problem, but if you don't want to uninstall it, then just try it first solutions, and then if it doesn't work, just click here uninstall and install it again. I hope this video can help you, and see you in the next video.